Alright, if you can't hear me, I'm sorry, but I need to wear the mask because you can see there's a lot of overspray. So, here's what we're going to do. Today we're going to be using turbo cans, gloss black. This is a 97 Civic EX, I think. Does not have VTEC. Does it? Does it have VTEC? No VTEC. So we're just gonna paint it. We scuffed it down with some red Scotch-Brite and some scuff stuff, and we're just gonna turbo can it. We masked it all up, tacked it all up. I don't think it's gonna come out that best, but we're gonna see how this thing comes out. Damn. It's gonna be fish eyes all over it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys up. All right, so here we go. I mean, it's kind of dirty, but the paint was never like 100%. So that was quick. That was probably like 4 minutes. Painted the whole car, 4 minutes. I mean, it looks okay from like a couple feet away, but if you get up close to it, I mean, there's like bodywork that failed on it. Like the door is all dented, fender's dented. Not a perfect car, but we just wanted to scuff it down and see how these turbo cans worked. So this is the perfect car to do it on. But at least we did mask everything up so there's not overspray everywhere. But we just did a quick scuff with it. I'm gonna come back in like 15 minutes and then tack it all up and then hit it with one more coat. But I'm going inside. So this is the final product. Looks kind of bogus. Really orange peely. There's dirt everywhere, but at the same time, you gotta remember, there's dents, there's lifting body filler. Lifting body filler everywhere. Like, it wasn't a show car. We just wanted to mess. We just wanted to mess with the turbo cans, see how they came out. This is just a little fun thing to do while we were bored. So if you're thinking about doing a turbo can on your car, I'd say do it, but you're gonna have to wet sand it like 600, probably get it to lay down a little bit better, then clear it. If you want like a cheap Harbor Freight gun, maybe like some dupe color clear, but wouldn't be bad. 3 cans, I think it was like 50 bucks. It was fun though, fun little project. So I gotta pull the car off, pull off all the wrap, take it inside. I gotta charge my phone, show you guys when I'm done. All right, here's the final product. Like I said, there's some orange peel, there's dents, there's holes in it, but there's a big ass dent right there. But like I said, It's better than how it was. So, yeah, it'll do. That's it though, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I did. I enjoyed making it. So, that's it. Stick around.